He's doing press sit-ups. Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Quick Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. Little Lenny the Lion's about to go crazy because we're into the last issue for the 2015 ImagineFX magazines, and it is a Star Wars special. So this should be quite exciting, especially if you're into your Star Wars. But well, last week we looked at this one, which was an Indie Comics special. That was cool. And then, well, they've all been cool this year. There really hasn't been any really bad issues, which is quite incredible. I would say 2015 probably the best year of ImagineFX so far, and hopefully they can finish off like the way the whole thing has been. But my favourite cover of the year is this one, the 2015 February issue. How amazing is that? But look, this is fantastic as well. I mean, if that was a female character, it would be right up there. And I know I shouldn't say it because why should it make a difference? But I just prefer looking at female characters, I suppose. But what I like about this is the like the sort of the way you can feel the atmosphere, I suppose, of the world. It's brilliant. You can feel that character's really sort of fighting the elements, which I think's cool. And look, boing, there's no Claire. So unfortunately, our favourite little friend Claire, she's still off having a baby, but he still gets a kiss from little Larry. This is Brynn, standing in for Claire. He seems cool. He can't grumble. So nothing's popping off the page at me, I will say. I like that though. Dave Seeley. So we're going to have Star Wars traditional art as well, which is cool. So I will say they did a Star Wars special a few years ago. Oh, look at that. See, if that had been the cover, yes please, that would have been cool. I wonder if it... No, it didn't. Sometimes they wrap their things around. I wonder if that was like an alternative cover or something. But these are the videos from the Not DVD. And like I said, they did a Star Wars special about a couple years ago, like 2011 or something. And it was brilliant. It was one of the best put together issues ever, because the whole thing was about Star Wars. Like if you was a fan of Star Wars, I feel like you would have loved it. And even as somebody who likes Star Wars but isn't madly in love with it, I still found it fantastic. So it'd be nice if this one's the same. I love these. That's cool, isn't it? Like she's sort of made of the weeds. That's what I'm thinking. Like she's like made of plants or something. A little mermaid as well. You can feel the slipperiness of that. He looks right, doesn't he? Wonder what he's doing. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, these are really nice. I would like to play a video game like that. Imagine a video game with those sort of graphics. Cool. This is the artist, Stephanie. I do love the FX pose bit. Look, it's so cool. The energy in that is brilliant. Become a pro in 10,000 hours. How many days do you reckon that is? Not sure. Look, 7,000. Darren's... God, that's cool, isn't it? Art studio, look. Darren Yeow. I love this bit here with all the books on it. nice little setup here going on, look. He's got a Wacom. Wonder why he's got a look, he's got an old school Wacom Cintiq, a new one, and a monitor. But I'm liking that bit at the back with all the books on it. Nomad, is he sponsored by Nomad or something, do you think? Look, he obviously does podcasts or makes YouTube videos or something. I like that. I would like that room. I could imagine being happy in there. Letters, Skeletor. I wonder what he's doing in here. So artist Q&A, look, Star Wars special. I love it when they do that. They make the whole thing Star Wars special. It's cool. If you was into, like, if you're massively into Star Wars, I feel like you could buy this magazine even if you wasn't an artist. The Art of Aaron McBride. That's Pirates of the Caribbean, isn't it? That's Star Wars. Darth Vader. What a like iconic character he is, isn't he? And these are brilliant. Stormtroopers. They're all cool, aren't they? Oh, I like that. What's this here? That's from the Avengers. I like that. Some sort of mechanical dinosaur. What a cool artist this is. Aaron McBride. The Art of Terese Nielsen. I don't know, oh, hey look, he's done the Star Wars. Oh look, little lady. Terese Nielsen. Her vital statistics. She was born in 1966. That's the year England won the World Cup. Yay! I've drawn her before. I think I've actually drawn that exact image from my cousin. What I liked about it was the like the gun, the straightness of the gun with her curves. I thought it was quite sexy. I do like girls with guns. Is that enslaved? No. Looks a bit like the... Hey look. Yoda. Yay, I've drawn her. I've sketched her before. She's in one of my sketchbook magazines. Here we go with the workshops. I love this one here. I love both of these. I love this. From photograph to finished art. Oh, I love that. Here's the things that. Little thumbnails. Develop exciting book cover art. Beautiful colours. 3D steps for cinematic impact. Hey look, Star Wars. Oh, I like that. I like the fact the gun is like popping. The lightsaber. Create innovative mech designs. Do you reckon we'll ever get like mechs like that walking around the earth? Big, massive. Imagine if the military got that and that's how they controlled everyone. I mean, you wouldn't be able to do anything against that, would you? You'd have to make your own. Oh, I like the I like that. It's like something out of Wipeout, the video game. Futuristic. Hey look, the next one is the 10th anniversary. That'll be, hey, Ross Tran's in it. And he's energetic art at a classic fantasy female. Cool. So that'll be the first one for 2016. I'm not sure if I'm going to look at it next week, because I think next week I'll be starting from issue number 1. I want to do the first like, I think it was the first 10 issues or something. But that'll be coming up soon, one day. A couple months or so. Bobby Cheese in it as well. Oh, cool. That's going to be a brilliant way to start the year. Star Wars. It's cool, isn't it? All the little perspective things, like the grids. Intuos Art, £75. I'd get it in black, I think. Yeah, I'd get it in black. The blue looks nice, but I don't like, if the blue one had blue buttons, I would have got that. It's like when they do PlayStation 4 controllers. For some reason, they always keep black buttons. It looks stupid. Whereas Microsoft, they always make the buttons the same colour as the thing, which makes it look more cool. I know they probably want to save money, but I'd rather pay an extra $5 or something for the coloured buttons. Illustration from Imagination, look. Behind the Pixels. That'd be quite cool. Video game artist Mark Molnar's new art book is a treasure trove for anyone curious about the world of concept art. That's nice, isn't it? She's got a sort of roughness about her there. Like, you can tell she's really been through a lot. Oils, these are all done with oils. These are watercolours. That's cool. Star Wars, look, pencils and oils. Oh, I like this character. I wonder who that is. I like that character. He's like classic, isn't he? Cool characters. Be inspired by the film poster greats. I like that. I like the look of her face. That's nice. Yeah, I like this look. She designs it. Who is it? What's the artist? Yeow. They design the thing in digital, then they do it traditionally. And it's good that, because you can also go the other way, so do it traditionally and then finish it off in digital. That's why I think the best is if you use all of it. Doing it upside down. Here's Brynn's little animals, creatures designs. And then we finish with Star Wars, Dave Seeley. And that's the end of the 2015 ImagineFX magazines. Boing! That's a really nice way to end it. Fun. I've got to say, it's been a brilliant year for ImagineFX magazines. What I'll do is, next week I'm going to do a little video talking about my favourite covers and my favourite issues and stuff. So I hope you come back for that, and I shall see you later for another one.